Welcome to GeoStudy. In this video, I will discuss about the model activity tasks of class 8 about geography. If are you the new viewer, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. First question, choose the correct pair. Option A, inner core liquid state of matter. Option B, outer core maximum density of matter. Option C, asthenosphere, the origin of convection current. D, crust, a high proportion of nickel and iron. So answer is C, asthenosphere, the origin of convection current. Next question, number 2. Rocky and Andes mountain are formed along the option A, oceanic, divergent plate boundary, oceanic, convergent plate boundary, continent, convergent plate boundary, D, continent, oceanic, convergent plate boundary. So right answer is the continent, convergent plate boundary. So answer, Rocky and Andes mountain are formed along the continent, convergent plate boundary. Next question, the boundary of North India touches option A, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, B, Nepal and Bhutan, C, Bangladesh and Bhutan, D, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. So right answer is the Nepal and Bhutan. The boundary of North India touches Nepal and Bhutan. Next question, question number 2, answer in 1 or 2 words. 1 number question, which instrument is used to measure the intensity of an earthquake? Which instrument is used to measure the intensity of an earthquake? So your answer is seismograph. Answer is seismograph. Seismograph is used to measure the intensity of an earthquake. Next question, which type of rock layer contains mineral oil? Here answer is the sedimentary rock. So sedimentary rocks contain mineral oil. Next question, which neighboring country of India is famous for spice production? Here answer is, right answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is famous for spice production. Next question, question number 3.1. Which layer of the Earth's interior produces the Earth's magnetic field and how? The outer core of the Earth's interior produces the Earth's magnetic field. And how? Because ferrous element of this layer being in a viscous state develops an electromagnetic field due to very high velocity, which in turn has formed the magnetism of the earth. Next question, question number 3.2. Explain with an example why convergent plate boundaries are often called destructive plate boundaries. Answer, so answer is, when two plates move towards each other, that is called convergent plate boundary. Convergent plate boundaries are called destructive plate boundaries because lithosphere is destroyed at convergent boundaries. Example of destructive plate boundaries or convergent plate boundaries is a good example of destructive plate boundary is where the Nazca plate a good example of a destructive plate boundary is where the Nazca plate dips underneath of South American plate. This has caused volcanoes, earthquake and the formation of the Andes mountain. Next question, question number 4. Classify igneous rocks based on their origin and give example of each. On the basis of origin, igneous rocks are classified into two types: intrusive igneous rocks and extrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive, what is called igneous, intrusive igneous rock? When the rising magma does not reach the earth's surface but is cooled and solidified below the surface of the earth, the resultant igneous rocks are called as intrusive igneous rocks. Example of intrusive igneous rock is the granite and dolerite. Next is the extrusive igneous rocks. The igneous form due to cooling and solidification of hot molten lavas on the earth surface are called intrusive igneous rocks. Example of that is called extrusive igneous rock. The example of extrusive igneous rock is the basalt. That's we discussed about the model activity task for class 8. If your